Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix when only one earbud isn't working on your headphones Sony LinkBuds. You have to start by put your headphones to the charging case, close the charging case. Now we should see not connected, then open it and remove your headphones from the charging case. It should help. But if it doesn't, we should make a hard reset. So just put your headphones to the charging case, and after that press and hold connectional button at the back for at least 15 seconds, until you can see that LED light it starts flashing red. Here we go. Now close the charging case. Click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android, then forget this device, forget device. Now if you have Android, click pair new device, and after that open the charging case and press and hold connectional button for at least 3 seconds to enter pairing mode. It should flashing blue like I have right now. Now click on your headphones at the charging list, at the device list, and we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!